Hi everyone, welcome to class 3 EVS. Chapter My Body and I. In this chapter, we are going to discuss organ systems.
Let's get into the topic.
Children, look at some of the important organs in our body. What is an organ systems? When a group of organs cooperate to carry out a function of the body, we call it an organ system. Our body is made up of many organs like the heart, lungs, kidney, stomach, windpipe, brain, etc. And many organs that are connected work together and do an important function as a system. Such a system in which many organs work together is called an organ system. There are many organ systems in our body. They make our body function properly. From this we understand that our body has several systems, all the systems are interconnected. Let us now look at a few organ systems in our body and how they function.
Look at the following table with body organs and their important functions.
The first organ is brain. Brain controls functioning of all the other organs of our body. The next organ is heart. Heart pumps blood to the different parts of the body. The next organ is lungs. Lungs take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide from our body. The next organ is stomach. Stomach breaks down food into substances, that is the nutrients. Our body uses the nutrients to get energy.
The next organ is small intestine.
The digestive system consists of large intestine and small intestine. This small intestine absorbs nutrients from food.
Children, what do you mean by nutrients? Where do we obtain these nutrients? We obtain nutrients from food. Nutrients means which is a substance that provides nourishment which is essential for the maintenance of life and for growth of our body. And the next organ is large intestine. Large intestine helps to remove unwanted waste from the body.
And the next organ is kidneys. Kidneys purify blood by removing waste from it. Children, we learned that organs in our body work together to form an organ system. The organ system of our body work together to keep the body functioning normally. These are some of the important organ system of our body. They are muscular and skeletal system, respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, nervous system, and excretory system. Now we learn the first organ system, muscular and skeletal system. The skeletal system has three major functions. It provides support and gives shape to our body, and it provides our delicate internal organs such as brain, heart, lungs. For example, the skull protects the brain. The muscular system is made up of more than 600 muscles. Muscles are attached to bones and help them to move. The next organ system is respiratory system. The respiratory system is made up of organs in our body that helps us to breathe. When we breathe, the body takes in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide.
Lungs are important organs in the respiratory system. The human body has a pair of lungs.
The respiratory system consists of nose, trachea or the windpipe, and lungs. The next organ system is circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of heart, blood, and blood vessels. There are two blood vessels are there. They are arteries and veins. The heart pumps blood to the different parts of the body, and the blood carries oxygen and nutrients to the cells in our body. The next organ system is digestive system. The functions of the digestive system include taking in the food we eat, breaking it down to retain nutrients, and removing waste from the body. The digestive system consists of mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. The next organ system is nervous system. The nervous system helps to carry messages between the brain and the rest of the body. It controls all the other organ systems of our body. The nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. And the next organ system is excretory system. The excretory system removes waste products from the body in the form of urine, sweat, etc. The excretory system consists of kidneys, ureters, and urinary bladder.
The human body is a complex machine. All the organs in an organ system work in coordination with each other. Coordination means to work together in an organized way. And all the organ system also function in coordination with each other in our body.